In this video, let me show you how to use the My Chase loan feature. So if you're trying to get a loan within the Chase application or within the Chase platform, in this video, let me show you the exact feature that you need to follow. Now, this is the inbuilt feature that Chase provides that allows the eligible card members to borrow the cash amount available for their credit limit. So what you need to do is just head over to the mobile app of Chase, and then you'll be able to find the option which says My Chase Loans, or you may also be able to see the option called Pay Over Time. Once you head over to one of these options, you'll be able to exactly see the amount that you can take as a loan and the percent that you will be charged. So you can just tap on the Get Started option, and then you can enter in the select amount that you're trying to borrow and the repayment duration, which is usually 6 to 24 months. So once you select these options, you need to select your bank. You need to choose the linked checkings or savings account where the funds should be deposited, and the money will typically be transferred within 1 to 2 business days. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to use the My Chase loan feature. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.